Personal gas detection equipment. Personal gas detection equipment on board our good vessels consists of 8 pieces of RKI GX 2001 gas detectors. Each gas personal detector of type GX 2001 consists of 4 gas ports for measuring 4 different gases simultaneously. The detectors on each gas are of diffusion type, and the equipment measures the following gases: the oxygen, the combustible gas of hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide, and hydrogen sulfide. So to switch on the personal gas detector, you have to push the power button until the signal gives you the beep. Now the detector will show the parameters like date and year, the time. Then it shows the voltage of the battery, and later on it will show you the components of gases it measures. Before each use, you have to make zero calibration. This is made by pushing the air button and holding as long as the hold message is shown. Now it's ready to be used. The calibration of personal gas detectors with spun gas. According to manufacturer's instructions of RKI, the check with test gas should be made every 3 months, and the calibration with the spun gas should be made every 6 months. So to make the spun gas calibration of personal gas detector GX 2001, we will need the following equipment: the test gas bottle consisting of 4 gases, the hydrogen sulfide of 25 ppm, the carbon monoxide of 50 ppm, the methane of 2.5%, which corresponds to hydrocarbons level of 50% low explosive limit, the oxygen of 12%, and the nitrogen is balanced. The next one is the flow meter, which is used to control the flow. To use as small gas as possible, we will use the portable hose connected to the flow device connected to the gas detector. To connect the flow device to the gas detection equipment, you have to start from the top. Connect it here, and then you push. Now it is connected, and all the gases correspond to each other. The next step is to connect the flow meter to the gas bottle. For this purpose, you remove the gas cap, take the flow meter, and you connect it to the bottle. To enter the calibration mode on the GX 2001, you have to push air button and power button simultaneously until you have the light and the beep signal, after which you can release the air button and the display will show calibration mode. You can see on the display the wording cal, which is indicating that the device in the calibration mode. When the device is in calibration mode, it is ready to be calibrated. Before this, we will need to connect the portable hose to the bottle, open the spun gas and make the flow of the gas through the device. We open the flow meter to make it approximately 0.5 liters per minute, the consumption of the spun gas. You can see the bulb is rising, that means that the gas is passing. Now we connect the portable hose to the device and we push the power button to enter the calibration. Now you have the readings of the calibration and the gas. As I told you before, the bottle consists of 2.5% of methane, which corresponds to 50% level of hydrocarbons. So to reduce and make the proper reading, you have to push the display button. To increase, you have to push air button. So now we have the proper reading of 50% level. And we go to the next test gas. The next is oxygen, which should be 12%. So we increase the value to be readable 12%. The next gas is H2S, hydrogen sulfide, which should be 25 ppm. And the last gas is carbon monoxide, which according to the spun bottle should be 50 ppm. So the final, we push the power button and we remove the flow device from the equipment. And close the valve or the flow meter not to consume the spun gas anymore. It will give you the alarm because it's still full of gas. When you have proper reading of oxygen and other gases, you can push the power button to shut down the alarm. Now the device is calibrated with the spun gas, and the only thing remaining before each use is to make the zero calibration on the fresh air.